Perform deployment for the 3-phase PV+ESS Scenario+SmartGuard networking. If a charger connects to the router over WLAN, log into the charger local commissioning screen and set the connection before site deployment. Log in to the Fusion Solar app. Tap Setup Wizard. Scan the WLAN QR code of the SmartGuard or Smart Assistant. Tap Login. Communication networks include WLAN and wired network. For WLAN, select the WLAN and enter the password. Wired network. Device management. Ensure that the device found matches the actual connected device. If a device is not displayed, check the cable connection and then tap Search to discover the device. Parameter configuration. Select the local grid code. Set power supply configuration. Set power meter configuration. Set S configuration. System check. After this screen is displayed, the system automatically starts the check. Connection test needs to be triggered manually. Tap OK. Tap Add Plant. Set Plant Info. Set Add Devices. Configure electricity price settings. Finish site deployment.